Welcome to Arsenal Football Club. We're here in the merchandise store, which is aptly named the Armoury, where Dynamo have installed a number of LED displays. Dynamo won this project because we're known in the industry for creating memorable displays. We've done things like hot air balloons, LED displays on blimps, double-decker buses. We've been industry leaders for quite some innovative projects. So the outside of the store has been fitted with some high bright digital billboards which are visible in direct sunlight. They're 2 metres by 2.5 metres each, and they display the content showing the partnership between Adidas and Arsenal. As you walk around the store, you'll see some magic mirrors. This is a product that Dynamo created ourselves. I've been enjoying seeing the customers watching the displays change from a video display, and then when the sensor is broken, it changing into a real luxury mirror. I'd say the fans' most memorable part of this store has got to be the skill zone and the celebration station. Not only do you get to test out your football skills, have the footage emailed to your own personal email address to upload to your social media. You choose your favourite football player, they're encouraging you when you're doing the ball skills, and your own celebration is then pushed to the jumbo screens on match day for the whole stadium to see. That's the best part, the fans are really loving that.
My role is to control all the digital elements that we have here in store. So digital assets will be sent over to myself, and I then upload them and play with the features to kind of give our fans and customers an excellent matchday in-store experience. Working with Dynamo has been fantastic in the sense that we all first kind of started this project. We had an idea of what we wanted to display, and Dynamo kind of helped us visualize that idea by putting forward their hardware and also showcasing some of the stuff they've done before in the past, and kind of merging our ideas and their experience. We merged it all together, and we were able to deliver a fantastic digital experience for the club.